Alright, today we're going to do a video of a Bridgeport-Hardinge vertical machining center, model GX480, serial number NVLB0H0064. It's new in 2010. It has a FANUC OIMD control. You have coolant system as well with the machine. Jogging the axes, that's your X and Y. Table size is 23.6 by 15.8. You have a 20 tool sidearm tool changer, which is Cat 40. We're running the spindle. That's 500 RPM. It's a 10,000 RPM spindle. Again, it's Cat 40.
2,000.
That's 2,000. 3,500.
5,000.
That's 5,000.
75.
And that's 7,500 again. Max RPM is 10,000, Cat 40. You have 18.9 of X travel, 15 3/4 in Y, and just short of 17, 16.93 in the Z. Do a tool change. Do another one. Again, 20 position tool changer. 10 horsepower spindle motor. Machine is 220 volts. It can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.